So this is the second part. So you can add a section from here. Just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page, forms or menus or videos, whatever you want to add. So that's it. You can go to the site styles here and you can change the fonts from here. You can switch the fonts back. You can choose one of these fonts from here. You can change, mix it. For example, this. So it might be a font, attractive fonts to attract people or attract. The color might be also attracting. So that's it. Now let's move on to the colors. So here you can customize the themes. You can choose any color from here, and the spacing you can reset the styles defaults and the buttons. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. Here you can add a blog, you can edit, you can add item or add a link here. You can change the wave intensity like this. Here you can change this text size. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So first you gotta have to delete this image and add another image here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can add another one here as you like, and for example, let's add another one. Now you can add the background, just a simple art. You can add just a simple art like this. Now let's move on to the next. Also here you can just add a simple art. That's it. Here you can add the social link. And here first you can delete this image, add another one here. that's it. And the last section here, the footer section, also you can add the background, just a simple art. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing this website, first you can save this, and um, can go here on the selling section. So first you can add products, physical products for example, or services. Wait a few seconds. So you can choose here the product name and add an image here, for example this. Here you can choose the product name. Now after this you can just skip, and you can customize here the price and the stock, and you can make unlimited stock. You can turn it off, and you can customize the stock here as you like. After this you can just click here, and now you can describe more your product. Here you can add the image. So that's it. Now after this now you can add the way to get paid. You can choose the way to get paid, and after this you can choose the plan, the subscription plan. You can choose if you want to pay annually or pay monthly. So that's it. And after this you can just go live and start your selling, start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.